log m by n can be written as log m minus log n. Log 8 can be written as log 2 to the power of 3. Let me use the formula log m plus log n is equals to log mn. Log 4 to base 4 is nothing but 1. Hello dear students, a warm welcome to one and all. My name is Vibha, Mathematics faculty at Vidyashram Pre-University College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. So in the last session, we have learned about how to solve the problems of 2-marker based on which chapter, dears? Yes, the logarithms. So in this session also, you are going to have the logarithms, which is nothing but session number 3, and then which chapter you are going to have in your NCERT, which is chapter number 4. Okay. So, what are the topics we are going to study under this session, dears? That is nothing but 3-marker problems. Okay, then let us look into the problems, what they have given, how we are going to solve it as. Before solving, we can give the formula, or I am going to give you the formula what we have already studied, laws of logarithms. So, first we are going to have it as log m n can be written as log m plus log n, right? Similarly, log m by n can be written as log m minus log n. Log m power n can be written as n log m. And then you are going to have log 1 to base anything is nothing but 0. Similarly, log e to base e is nothing but 1, or log a to base a is nothing but 1 you are going to have, right? So next you are going to have it as, according to the definition of the logarithm, you can write it as log y to base x is equals to, we are going to have it as a, or you can write it as, what is that, x power a is equals to y. Otherwise, according to the definition, what I have defined it as, log y to base a is nothing but x, or a power x is equals to y. Correct? This is according to what we have defined, the logarithmic definition. Yes, and then we are going to have it as 1 divided by log b to base a can be written as log a to base b. We can change a base if we are having a reciprocal of the logarithm to the any base. Okay, so these are all the formulas you have to remember to solve the problems. Got? So let us look into the problem number. Prove that log x square to the base y into log y cube to the base z into log z to the power of 5 to the base x is equals to 30. So how we are going to take it as, let me take the left hand side. Left hand side can be written as log x squared to the base y into log y cube to the base z into log z to the power of 5 into base x you are going to have it as, right? So here I am going to take as, see, log, first let me keep the base as same. This is according to the log m power n. What is log m power n, dears? 2, that is n log m. Therefore, we are going to have it as n replaces here 2, isn't it? So therefore, we can write it as 2 log x to the base y into, here n replaces 3. So therefore, you can have 3 log y to base z. Similarly, 5 log z to base x. So here if you see, it is according to the log a to base b. Log a to base b can be written as, dears, 2 log a divided by log b. So in place of a and b, you are going to have here x and y. Similarly, you can write this one also, log y divided by log z into 5 as it is. This also log z divided by log x. Therefore, here if you observe, log x will get cancelled, log y will get cancelled. Similarly, log z also. So the remaining is nothing but you are going to have 2 into 3 into 5. What is 2 into 3 into 5, dears? 2 into 3 into 5 will be is equals to 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, which is nothing but your RHS. Is that the proof? Yes, dears, that is a proof. So this is what the procedure will go according to the solution or the problem level. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Prove that 1 divided by log 4 to the base 2 plus 1 divided by log 4 to the base 8 plus 1 divided by log 4 to the base 16 is equals to 4. You know already I'm going to use the formula 1 divided by log A to base B can be written as log B to base A. So therefore, I am going to take the LHS here. LHS will be is equal to 1 divided by log 4 to base 2 plus 1 divided by log 4 to base 8 plus 1 divided by log 4 to base 16. So therefore, you can have here as 1 divided by reciprocal, the base will change automatically, log 2 to base 4 plus log 8 to base 4 again and plus log 16 to base 4, correct? Now dear students, you can observe the base are same. If the base are same, I can use another logarithmic loss, which is nothing but log m to same base, log n plus log s can be written as log m n s, correct? So therefore, m n s. So therefore, this you can think it as m n s. So log, you are going to have it as base 4, the same base, 2 into 8 into 16. What that will be is equals to, which is nothing but log 4. So therefore, you can write this one as, see, 8 into 2, 16, 16 into 16 is nothing but 256. Therefore, I can write that one as log 256 to the base 4. Otherwise, I can write this one as, see, according to the logarithmic definition, log y to the base a is nothing but x, which implies you can write it as a power x is equals to y. Correct? So therefore, a replaces here 4, 256 replaces here, what is that? Y. So therefore, I can write this one as, which will be is equals to, what is that? I can write it as log 256 to the base 4 can be written as a to the power of, that is 256 to the power of 4, which is nothing but I can write it as log to the base 4. 256 can be written as what? 4 to the power of 4, isn't it? Correct? Yes. So we can write it as 256 as 4 to the power of 4. So now you can use the formula also. See, log m power n can be written as n log m. So therefore, by using that, you can arrive at the result here. This is nothing but, see, this you can consider m power n. M power n is nothing but n log m. Therefore, I can write it as n log m. Already base 4 you are having. You know already, dear students, log 4 to base 4 is nothing but 1. So therefore, you are going to get the result as 4 into 1, which is nothing but 4, which is nothing but the RHS. That's it, dears. Is that easier? Yes. Okay. We'll move on to the next question. Prove that log 8 to base 4, log 32 to base 2, log 4 to base 16 is equals to 15 divided by 4. So let me take the LHS here. What is the LHS? LHS you are going to have it as log 8 to base 4 into log 32 to base 2 into log 4 to base 16. So therefore, you are going to have here, this you can write it as log A to base B can be written as log A divided by log B. So therefore, you can write that one as log 8 divided by log 4 into log 32 divided by log 2. Similarly, log 4 divided by log 16. So here I can write this one as, which will be is equals to, see, log 8 can be written as log 2 to the power of 3. So therefore log 2 to the power of 3 divided by log 4 can be written as log 2 squared into log 32 can be written as what? 2 to the power of 5 divided by log 2 as it is. I am going to write it. Okay? Into, you are going to have it as log 2 squared divided by, this can be written as log 2 to the power of 4. So therefore, according to the definition of log m power n, what is log m power n, dears? M power n is n log m, correct? So n log m means you can write this one as 3 log 2. Let me write that one. So LHS will be is equals to, so numerator you are going to have it as 3 log 2 divided by, and the denominator 2 log 2 into, you are going to have it as, and then this will be equal to 5 log 2, 5 log 2, and then you are going to have it as, what is this? This will be is equal to log 2 only as it is, log 2 into, you are going to have, next will be is equal to 2 log 2, 2 log 2 divided by, you are going to have it as 4 log 2, 4 log 2. So let me cancel what and all, it will get cancelled. Log 2 will get cancelled here. You are going to remain with only the values. So you are going to have in the numerator 3 into 5 into 2. What is 3 into 5? 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are, you are going to have it as 30. So therefore I can have it as 30 divided by, you are going to have 2 4s are is nothing but 8. So you can cancel this also by what? Here only you can cancel, otherwise by multiplying also you can cancel. It will go by 2. So you are going to have it as 2 15s are and 2 4s are. So the answer will be is equal to 15 by 4. The same answer? Yes, you are going to get the same answer, which is nothing but 15 by 4, which is RHS. Is that easier, dear students? Yes. Okay. We'll move on to the next question. What they have asked, let me see here. Let us solve this problem. What is log x plus log of x plus 1 is equals to, this is nothing but log 2. Okay, this is log 2. Therefore, solving for x, what you are going to have it as, let me use the formula log m plus log n is equals to log mn. What is that? You are going to have it as log mn can be written as what? Log of x into x plus 1 is equals to log 2. So therefore, you are going to have the answer for this one. Log will get cancelled. You are going to remain with x into x plus 1 is equals to 2. So x into x plus 1 is equals to 2 means you can multiply this x inside. X squared plus x is equals to 2. Otherwise, you can bring this 2 to that side. It will become x squared plus x minus 2 is equals to 0. You can solve this one. If you multiply, you should get minus 2 squared. If you add, you should get plus x. So which is the term you are going to have? Minus 2 and plus x. Minus 2 ones are 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is nothing but minus 1. There you cannot get. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 2 minus 1 is nothing but plus x. You are going to have it as. Therefore, I can write it as here x squared plus 2x minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, you can have x into x plus 2 minus 2 into x plus 2, which will be is equal to 0. Therefore, by solving this, you are going to get it as x plus 2 into x minus 2. This is 1. 1 into x plus 2, correct? So, x plus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Otherwise, x plus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 1 equal to 0. So, x is equal to minus 2. X is equals to plus 1 is your answer for x. That's it. Any doubt in this? Okay. We'll move on to the next question. What they have asked? Solve for x, that is log x to the base 2 plus log x to the base 4 is equals to 3. Let me solve by taking the left hand side here, or solve for x they have asked. So let me take this one as, I can write this one as according to the log a to base b can be written as log a divided by log b. So according to that formula, I am going to write it as x replaces a and b replaces 2. So therefore, I can have log, what is that? x divided by log 2 plus log x divided by log 4. If you are having here, you have to take the LCM here. So by taking the LCM, you can have it as 3. Let me write this one as like this. See, log x as this is divided by log 2 plus log x divided by this log 4 can be written as how? Log, that is 4 is nothing but 2 squared, correct? This again according to the formula of log m power n. What is log m power n? Which is n log m. So here n replaces 2, m also replaces 2. Therefore, you can have this one as log x divided by log 2. Similarly, plus log x divided by 2 log 2. So you are having here 1 by 2 into log 2. So log 2 will be what is your LCM. Therefore, by taking LCM, you can write this one as, so here you are going to have it as log 2, correct? 2 log 2 will be the LCM. Here you are going to get it as 2 log x plus log x is equals to 3. So let me write that 3 also here. So therefore, you are going to get the answer for this one will be is equals to, what is that? 2 log x plus log x is nothing but 3 log x. 3 log x divided by 2 log 2 is equals to 3. 3 by 1 is nothing but 3 only. Therefore, I can continue by this one. What is that? 3 log x divided by 2 log 2 is equal to 3. So 3 will get cancelled here. So you are going to remain with log x divided by 2 log 2. 2 log 2 can be written as again 2 log squared is equal to 1. Therefore, log x will be is equal to log 2 squared. Now, log 2 squared is nothing but log 4. Therefore, log x is equals to log 4. Otherwise, you are going to have it as x will be is equals to 4 is your answer. Is that easy, dears? Yes. According to the laws of logarithm, we have solved this problem. Okay, dear students, we'll solve the next problem. If x is equals to log 9 to base 2, y is equal to log 7 to base 9, z is equal to log 4 to base 7, show that x, y, z is equals to 2. So here, if we are going to take it as log 9 2, let me take what they have given, show that x, y, z, and then let me take this one, then prove. So let me take whatever the x, y, z is equals to 2 of the left hand side x, y, z, and then we use in the x, y, z whatever they have given the terms of the logarithms, and then we'll prove the right hand side is equals to 2. So let me take x, y, z is equals to 2. What is x? They have given x is log 9 to base 2. So log 9 to base 2 into, you are going to have it as y, they have given it as log 7 to base 9. Similarly, into, you are going to have it as z, they have given it as log 4 to base 7. You know already, according to log a to base b can be written as log a divided by log b. So therefore, you can write this one as log 9 divided by log 2 into, you are going to have log 7 divided by log 9 into, you are going to have it as log 4 divided by log 7. So what and all it will get cancelled here? Log 9, log 7, log 7. So remaining is nothing but log 2 and log 4. How we are going to write it as log 2 and log 4? Log 4 divided by log 2. See dears, I am going to do it here. Log 2 squared divided by log 2. You can write this 4 as 2 squared. Again, according to the formula of log m power n, you can write it as n log m, correct? What is n log m? 2 log 2. N and m replaces 2 here, which will be is equal to 2 log 2 divided by log 2. So therefore here, log 2 will get cancelled. You are going to remain with the answer 2 into 1, which is nothing but 2. That is your RHS. That's it, dears. Is that easier of the free marker? Yes. Next problem, prove that log x plus log x squared plus log x cube plus etc. plus log x power n is equal to 1 by n into n plus 1 log x 1 by 2. This is okay. So here you are going to have the proof as like this. You can use the formula of log m power n can be written as n log m. So I am going to use by taking log x here common and then log x plus this I am going to write according to this formula. What it will become, dears? 2 log x plus this also 3 is nothing but n here. So therefore I can write it as 3 log x plus etc. plus you are going to have this also n replaces as n log x. Correct? So taking the left hand side. Now what I can take common, dears? Common is nothing but log x. By taking common log x, what it will be? Which will be is equal to log x into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 etc. plus n. Now dear students, this according to the sequence and series, the formula of this is given by the same thing. So log x, that is nothing but n into n plus 1 divided by 2, which is your RHS. That's it, dears. This formula you have to remember. Okay. The problems, I think you got this problem how to solve, and you got this according to the sequence and series. You have to remember this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. n can be written as n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Hope you understood this session, dear students. So in the next session, we'll be moving on to solving the 5 marker problems. Thank you, dear students.